Do you love traveling and you want to explore the beautiful places in this world? Are you looking for some travel tips, some money saving tips for your next journey? Or if you are unhappy with your current country in case and you want to migrate to some other country and you are looking for suggestions that which country is the best for you, this is the best channel for you. Hi everyone, my name is Miftah Mahmood and I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. I'm basically from Pakistan, but from last 7 years I've been living in Uganda, East Africa. It's a very beautiful country, and the purpose of making this channel is to give you a guide about if you are planning your travel to Africa or you especially Uganda or any other place in the world. I'm going to start it with Uganda, but in future each and every place of the world. In this channel you will get to see trip reports, road trips, places to see in a country and things which you should know before visiting a country, and what you can expect from a country if you go there. What is the cost of living there, and all those topics related to travel. So why this channel? Why I suggest you to subscribe to my channel and watch my videos? The reason, for me, I love traveling. I've been following many YouTubers who do travel vlogs and trip reports. I've been watching each and every video. And sometimes I feel like, oh, in this video, I wish he included this thing. And after watching for so many years, I have concluded that okay, let me make a travel channel, let me try, and let me try not to make those mistakes which in my opinion the others are making. So since I'm a new to YouTube, I know in start I will make mistakes in editing, in video making, but one thing I promise all of you is on my channel you will get to know about the travel at a different perspective. You will get travel videos, trip reports, everything on a different level. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down there and click on the bell notification so that you never miss my any video. So thank you so much. The first video on my channel is coming on this Sunday. So see you guys. Thank you.